Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be a young individual looking to make legit money without falling prey to scams or fake promise, you are in the right place. Today I am going to share with you the best and most reliable hustles you can embark upon right away, even if you have little to no financial resources. This will not only help you develop new skills, but also provide you with opportunities to expand your income. Without any further ado, let's dive straight into the top 8 hustles. Number 1, freelance work. Freelancing has changed the game for millions of people all over the world. And the best part is, you can start with just a skill, even a beginner level 1 skill. With this, you can begin by graphic design. This is designing logos, brandings, posters, etc. You can also do video editing. You can also do social media management. This is managing other people's profiles on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and other platforms. Then you can also do writing. This is developing projects for other people. Let's talk of virtual assistants, such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and managing data entry. Use platforms like Upwork and other similar platforms, but also reach out to smaller businesses directly. Start at a low level, build up your portfolio, and distinctly increase your rates. This is one of the very few hustles where you have power to determine how much profit you can achieve. The number 2 is content creation. You don't need a fancy cameras or expensive gadgets. Start making short form videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram about topics you love, such as fitness, fashion, motivation, gaming, or anything else that excites you. Once you build up your audience, you can capitalize on brand deals. This is working with businesses to create marketing materials. Then affiliate marketing. This is partnering with others to sell their products. You can also earn revenue from YouTube. This is generating income from your videos. Consistency is indeed the key to success here. Don't give up after 1 week or 1 month. You must keep posting for you to win this. Then number 3 is selling digital products. This includes ebooks, Notion templates, online courses, presets for photo editing in apps like Photoshop, Lightroom, etc. To begin with, start with items that already belong to you, such as clothes, shoes, phones, furniture, accessories, gaming items, and more. Once you have a following, you can charge a reasonable fee for service like designing, teaching, organizing, or even sharing your knowledge with others. Hustle number 4 is reselling, also known as flipping. You can find cheap items and resell them for a profit. Things you can flip are like clothes, sneakers, phones, taco furniture, accessories, gaming items, and more. Start with what you already have at home. This hustle helps you to learn skills, negotiations, and marketing strategies, and with persistence, you can turn it into a full-time business. Number 5 is social media management. Many businesses are looking for help online, and many are prepared to pay someone young in order to understand the latest trends and technology. You can therefore offer to create posts, to manage Instagram or TikTok. You can also run ads. You can respond to emails. You can also help to organize content calendars or offer services such as delivery or microtasking. The key to success here is consistency also. Don't give up after a single day or two. Remember, dedication is the secret ingredient to getting anywhere. Then number 6 is teaching a skill. If you are outstanding in a particular subject or hobby, turn it into a successful hustle. You can tutor kids in various subjects such as maths, science, or even guitar, coding, drawing, or fitness training. Parents pay for these services and students pay too. People are always looking to learn something new on a daily basis. You can use Zoom or meet in person for these services. This is one of the most dependable source of income. Therefore, it is good to give it a try. Then the 7th hustle is delivery or microtasking. For service that requires physical work, find an opportunity on platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or Postmates and charge a reasonable price for services like delivery, errands, and surveys. This is a flexible, instant, and money-making opportunity, especially if you're looking for fast cash. Also, number 8 is offering cleaning services. Offer cleaning services to people. This is like deep cleaning of the houses, sofas, and carpets. Many people will pay for this service. So, if you can give it a trial, I am sure it can give back well. The most important lesson here is to choose one hustle and stick with it. All successful entrepreneurs that you see starting small. Your hustle today could turn into your business tomorrow. If you want a full guide on how to start any of these, drop me a comment and I will be happy to make a detailed video. Don't forget to like and share and come back for more exciting content. If you love this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. From me guys, cheers.